To enable Apple Pay Express Transit, start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app is where you will manage all your credit and debit cards, including those used for transit. If you have not already added a card to Apple Pay, you will need to do so by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and following the prompts to add your card information. Once you have a card added, tap on the card you want to use for Express Transit to view its details. Scroll down to the Transit section and look for the Express Transit option. If you do not see this option, your card may not be eligible for Express Transit or your region may not support it. To enable Express Transit, toggle the switch next to Express Transit to the on position. You may be prompted to enter your card security code or other authentication information to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can enable Express Transit on your device. After enabling Express Transit, you can use your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay for transit fares without needing to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. Simply hold your device near the transit reader and the fare will be automatically deducted from your selected card. It is a good idea to make sure you have a default card set for Express Transit, as this will ensure that the correct card is used when you are traveling. To set a default card, go to the Wallet app, tap on the card you want to use, and then tap on the Transit section. From here, you can select the card as your default for Express Transit. By following these steps, you can easily enable Apple Pay Express Transit and start using your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay for transit fares quickly and conveniently. Remember to always keep your device and card information secure to prevent unauthorized use.